How to post Instagram stories on desktop. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily post stories from your desktop on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up any of your browser and search for Instagram.com. And once you log into your Instagram, this will be your home page. On the left hand, you'll have your navigation bar to go through your home, your search, explore, reels, messages, notification, and more. So as you can see here, unlike the mobile version of Instagram, you do not have an option to add a story here. Even if you go to your profile, you do not have an option to add a story. So let's see how you can do it. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your home page, right click on any of the blank page right here, and then click on Inspect. And once you open up your Inspect Elements, here you will find this little icon to convert it to a mobile device. So just click right here and it will convert it to your mobile view. And once you have done that, now you can just go back. Now you can just close it out. Or if you want, you can also choose the type of phone that you want to have it to manage the aspect ratio. Now I'm just going to close this out, and you can do this again. Click on Inspect and then click on Inspect Elements. Now you're just going to reload this page. And after reloading, you will get this plus icon right here to add to your story. Now just click on this plus icon. Now choose any of the picture from here. So let me just go to my desktop. I'm going to click on pics and let me just choose this random picture. Now I'm just going to post this from here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on add to story right here on the bottom of your screen. Just click on it. And as you can see now, the story is uploading. You do not have to download any third-party application for this. And once that is done, as you can see, the photo was uploaded. Now just refresh your page again and reload it. And once that is done, you could view your story from here. So just click on your story and then you can see the story that I've just added here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.